Kia ora, Year 11, Year 10, second video on algebraic proofs. My suggestion is that you watch the first one before you watch this, just to go over a bit of notation. But in essence, if you want to do a proof and you've been asked to show something such as this one, an even number plus an even number is an even number. I actually got asked to show this in my first year of university first week of my first year of university. So it's a familiar one. The idea is that you want to say, look, you've got a number 2n. That's what an even number looks like. 2 times another number, where that number n is a counting number, is a whole number. Okay. So if you let, and I've already made a mistake here, I'd write let the first number be 2n, let the second number be, and you write that, right? Let the first number be 2n, let the second number be 2m, where m is also a counting number. All right, so the even plus even. Our big goal is to say it looks like 2 times the number. So this is 2n plus 2m. Now we need to show this is 2 times something, which is 2 times n plus m. Cool. Well, we've shown it. Okay, which is even, and as is 2 times n plus m, where n plus m must also be an element of the naturals. The idea is you're saying, hey, look, the number n is a counting number, the number m is a counting number. When you add them together, they're still a counting number. You've done 2 times the counting number, therefore it's even. All right. And have a look at my model solutions, how I've written them out in the Google Classroom. Have a look at the questions there. Try some of them now. Between this video and the last one, you probably should be fine. I'll do one of the extension questions as well soon.